Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We are so honored that you would join us. Thank you so much. Today we are in Nairobi, Kenya, and we'll be taking a drive on Uhuru Highway to see how it looks like since the opening of Nairobi Expressway. During the construction of Nairobi Expressway, some sections of this highway were damaged due to heavy machinery and equipment being moved aloud. The government had indicated that the contractor would repair and restore Uhuru Highway to its original state, and today we want you to see how it looks, so keep watching and let us know what you think at the comment section down below. We really appreciate your continued support, and our request for you is to share, to like, to leave a comment, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. By doing this, YouTube promotes our content, hence reaching more people and growing our channel faster. Thank you so much. You will also notice the flowers that were planted on the pillars of the Nairobi Expressway. Some have survived and are blooming, while some didn't make it. You will notice some sections of Uhuru Highway have been retarmacked and marked, while some other sections still need repair and also to be marked. Some pedestrian paths or walkways have also been repaired and some have been put up, but we still think that more work needs to be done. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate that. Our request for you is to please share, to like, to leave us a comment, and subscribe if you're new here. And until next time, as we bring you more content, have a great day. Be kind to someone today, and cheers. Bye bye.